Homer hears strange noises around the house in the middle of the night and mistakes it for a burglar breaking in. He grabs something to defend himself, only to find it is his own mother when he gets closer. Marge is woken up and asks what is going on, while Homer puts on a pretentious act and tells Marge to go buy ice cream first to avoid the scene, covering up his nervousness. Seeing his mother whom he hasn't met for a long time, Homer feels both happy and wronged, complaining that she has been disappearing all these years and never cared about his feelings. Mona explains that she had no choice back then, and now the federal government is no longer hunting her down, so she can finally settle down and make it up to Homer. However, Homer has long run out of expectations because of past disappointments and directly refuses his mother's attempt to make amends. Even when Mona reminds him that he has eaten the pie she brought, he still insists on being stubborn and refuses to forgive her. Later, Mona looks through Homer's childhood photos and feels guilty for missing his entire childhood. She also mentions that when Homer was little, they had no TV to watch, so he could only stare at the KFC family bucket in the fridge to feel a sense of warmth, which is why he still loves eating fried chicken to this day. That night, Mona quietly goes to Homer's room and apologizes sincerely, saying she once wanted to change the world but ended up ruining her own life, begging Homer for forgiveness, yet Homer still turns her down. Without saying more, Mona whispers goodnight as she leaves. In the middle of the night, Homer tosses and turns unable to fall asleep, overwhelmed by inner guilt. He finally gets up to make an apology card, walks to the living room and calls out softly to Mona, ready to express his own apology to his mother.
Asleep with your eyes open? Mom?